Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with another new Avalon here. So this one is a 2025 Avalon VTX 1980 CR. I'll go through it with you top to bottom, inside and out, and show you what it's all about. So starting at the trailer here, you're going to notice we got ourselves a Shoreland'r trailer. It's got the rock guard material on it, so in theory, rocks would just bounce right off of it if they do hit it and not create any rust. You can see we got the hitch coupler, tongue jack, and we got ourselves a nice winch stand here, which doubles as stairs to get inside the boat, as you can see, with a nice grab handle. On the outside of the boat here, you're going to notice we got the anodized rails with the polished corner caps, as well as we got the matte black exterior here. You can see blackout Avalon logos, as well as a nice Bimini. At the back of the boat here, we got ourselves a nice little swim platform. Be able to jump off, do whatever you need to do. Right here, got ourselves a nice 4-step boarding ladder. Nice and easy to get out of the water. Not struggling there. And it folds up nicely as well. Back of the boat, we got it paired nicely with a 60 CT. So it is the command thrust. It is meant for pontoons. It'll make your life a lot easier on the lake. Other thing you're going to notice is we got the load guides here, front to back on the trailer, just to help you load and unload at the launch with ease. If you want to follow me inside, I'll show you what the interior is all about. In the inside here, you can see what we got going on. A nice upgraded floor. We got the charcoal package, so you can see we got a lighter charcoal and a darker charcoal on the seats. Really pops. Down below, you can see we got the blue ice package with the toe kicks there. Some upgraded speakers and stuff. So you open up the seats, you can see Avalon has their own seats made in-house, so it's not the rotocast tubs. It's nice aluminum rails and stuff, so that you got a little bit more room, as well as you get the airflow through there, so everything stays nice and dry. As we continue on, you can see we got an upgraded charger port there. Get the fast charge as well as the USB. Interior light. Okay. Here we got the pop-up privacy station. I'll just show you quickly how that works. So it just pops up. You drape this down nicely. You can quickly unzip it, jump inside, do your deal, jump out, zip it up, grab it, you twist it a couple times just so it fits nicely in the stowing pocket. Stow it away, flip it down, snap it on, and then close her up nicely. Passenger side here, you got a nice entry point to enter the dock and or of another boat. Driver's helm here, you're going to see we got an upgraded chair, armrests, it reclines, and it also swivels and slides. Tilt steering, one of my favorite things to get in and out of the boat, just allows you easier access to the seat. All of our accessories here, Bluetooth stereo, as you can see, analog gauges, as well as a nice 5-inch screen right there. You'll be able to do depth. It's got the charts on it, as well as fish if you want. If you don't want the fish, that's fine as well. Opposite side here, in the passenger side, you got a nice L seating, as you can see. Underneath here, little trash can. Keep all your trash stowed away and stuff so you don't have a bunch of clutter everywhere. Removable table, so if you don't like the table, remove it, stow it away. And nice big L seating, as you can see. Rear entry, so you could enter and exit in the back of the boat. Lots of room back here, like I mentioned to you previously. So, do all of your stuff. This boat is ready to go. It comes complete. Boat, motor, trailer. It's got a mooring cover, so it covers the whole boat. And obviously the Bimini top. If you want to check out this boat or any others, check us out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership. I'll be happy to show you.